Alright, go ahead.
I'm gonna start peeing first.
Alright. Hurry up.
Alright, hold on. Let me get some napkins ready. She's calling me now.
Forget it.
This is Vikram.
Forget it.
Hello? We're inside. Yeah, come just now. Alright, bye. Ready?
Yeah.
Meesh.
Hack it up.
Man. Ah, shit, it's only come out.
Oh my god, you're in.
Do you see it?
No, not yet. Hold on. Oh my god, that's so gross. Hurry up, get out. Are you done?
Yeah.
Alright, hurry up. I'm gonna go zoom in on it.
Okay, move it out. Third party.
Get out of here, dude.